As you can see, guys, stocks only go up according to Wall Street bets. No, I'm just kidding. We both know that ain't true. But Elon Musk hinting at Tesla got a secret supercomputer, and it is going to be for the electric cars and the autonomous vehicles that don't have anybody in them for their Robotaxi service, which means basically that Tesla stock is going to go straight up when this becomes um, for real. And basically, we're looking at the Tesla chart right here. And if you guys were with us yesterday, we were bullish and off this daily RSI push, and the Bollinger Bands are now expanding and pushing above it. So we'll see what happens, but we're gonna look at the higher time frames first, and then we're gonna work our way back in. And right now, let me take the Bollinger Band off, and so everything's looking bullish on the monthly. The only thing that's kind of got me concerned is the pink in the background, which just means RSI is at a 90 or close to a 90. And when that happens, it does usually go sideways or a pullback. So, not to say this is the top forever, but maybe be cautious if you long the um, monthly RSI when it came in. Um, so looking at the 2 week, we have um, a bounce off of the top of the bullish control zone, which is bullish, and then we have my momentum indicator here saying we got a little bit of room to go on the 2 week. So see here, get back full screen, then we go to the weekly. Um, Everything's looking pretty good on the weekly. We bounced the 10 simple, that's bullish. We now have a weekly green dot, and that came in today. So this is bullish, and the last time we got a weekly green dot was April 13th, and so basically, it could be the bottom for a long time, according to this indicator. Um, so then now that we look at that, let's check out. And also, while we're on the weekly, if you put on Heikin-Ashi candles, you can see the trend is still green or blue to the upside. So as long as we're closing green or blue Heikin-Ashis on the weekly, I would be looking for further continuation to the upside. And as you can see, red, bad, green, good. So um, now we'll go to the 3-day, and we got the 3-day green dot. Also came in, oh, that was August 14th. So we got the 3-day, it's bullish until it isn't, and we get the red dot basically on that. So, and looking at the 2-day, we bounced the 2-day 21 and 2-day green dot, so we know there's room to the upside. And then now that we're looking at the daily, we did some TA on this yesterday, and let's put this Fibonacci back on and see where that target was, because I think we may have hit it already. Okay. Yeah, the 1816 is the price. So we're above the Fibonacci, and it's acting as support. So as long as that's still in the good, we may see more upside in price. Let me take all this off. And so we are getting continuation off of the bull flag, and we had the measured moves in, but they got deleted, so we'll do it again. But the measured move is from here to here, and then bring it out to here. So 2300 overall would be the most bullish price target out of this. But as you can see, we had it in from yesterday. The 22% measured move is already, get this out of the way, it's already close to it. So we could see 1892 in the morning, but I would be looking for a pullback, another 2% up. But as long as, let's see here, let's go back down to the 12-hour and take off my drawing tools. Okay, so as long as the 12-hour has the RSI above the EMA right here, I'll always be bullish. But as soon as it takes it out, I will be looking for downside action. But right now we got the 6 hour, and it's getting kind of up there, kind of running into resistance right here, and top of the bullish control zone. So, and then let's check out the 4 hour. Really nothing to be seen. 3 hour. Okay, actually I just seen it on the 6 hour. So we got the blue 10 simple crossing the 21. So when that happens, it does usually pull back into the cross. And you can see, we'll go back and look what happened last time. So we got the 6 hour crossing above 10 simple, and then it eventually pulled into the cross. And same thing for the downside. Death cross, pulled into the cross. So, and I'm not saying it can happen immediately, but over time it will pull down into it. Just because once you golden cross, your lower time frames are overbought, and then historically it lines up with a counter trade. Okay, so now that we've seen that, we'll go check out the 3 hour, and we're showing some red in the background, and basically that means your RSI is close to an 80. And you know about RSI, once you get to an 80, you're in the, or once you get past 70, you're in overbought region. And that's usually when, it can have, several legs up, but initially, once you get red in the background, then we look for RSI to turn down along with the momentum oscillator, and then you get the pullback or the sideways action. And then the 2 hour getting toppy. So I do think we'll pull back, but like I said, as long as the we'll just say as long as the 2 hour RSI is pointed above the EMA, we're good as far as this drive. And then yeah, that's about it, guys. So been fun, and I'll see you next time.